In this tutorial, I will teach you what's the difference between XSSFWorkbook and HSSFWorkbook. As you can see in the picture, so a XSSFWorkbook usually means the new Excel file. The extension is xlsx. So it means Excel 2007 and above formats. So, however, HSSF workbook usually means the old Excel file. The extension is XLS files. So that's the difference between these two objects. In NPOI, we have a namespace called SS, NPOI.SS. So this namespace is kind of common namespace define all the interface for these two HSF and XSSF namespace. So for IWorkbook, there will be two interface implementation. One is HSSF workbook and the other is XSSF workbook. And for ISheet, same case. So XSSF sheet and HSSF sheet both implement ISheet interface. And also there will be some sub-objects like IRow and ICell. These two interfaces is also implemented by HSSF and XSSF namespace. So you will find a lot of same cases here because it's two bunch of classes that implement the same interface to make sure that you have the same behavior for these two kinds of Excel files. Usually you may have the question in mind that how can I open a file that I have no idea what it really is? Sometimes even the extension is not real XLS or xlsx. So in some cases it's HTML or some other files, it's fake files. So NPOI provide an advanced way to handle this. We have a class called WorkbookFactory. So you can call WorkbookFactory.Create to create. Usually this method will return IWorkbook interface object. So it can be HSSF workbook or XSSF workbook. So it depends on the file you are opening. So if it's not real Excel file, it's as you can see here, non-Excel files. So it will throw invalid format exception. So in this example, we will teach you how it works. Let's take a look at this example called the WorkbookFactoryDemo. In this example, I prepared 3 files for you. The first file is called fake Excel. It's a fake file, so we can open this file and take a look. You will see that it's a plain text file with 2 lines. It's totally fake. So it's a text file, but with the extension XLS. And the second file is a real Excel file, but it's the old Excel XLS file. You see that we can open it correctly. Maybe we can have some text in it. And there's another file. This is the new Excel file. We can also open it correctly. So multiple sheets.xls and multiple sheets.xlsx are real Excel file, and the fake file Excel file is really fake. Okay. Then we try to change the open file name. Let's change the file name. Okay. So we change it to sheets.xls. So we see which, so in this example, you will see that we will type the workbook.getType.name. So this will show what it really is. So we run the program. You see that it's HSSF workbook. As I mentioned before, so HSSF workbook means XLS files. It's old Excel file. And then we change the file to xlsx. Okay, we try it again. And in this case, you will see that it's XSSF workbook because we are opening a new Excel file. What if we try to open a fake Excel file? Let's see what will happen. Oops. Yeah, as expected, it throws an exception called invalid format exception. So this is what I showed you just before, like this. You see that this is the, you see, as if it's not Excel files, it will throw invalid format exception. And if it's real Excel file, it will return one of the workbook. Well, and so it can be HSSF or XSF, right? Okay, I think that's all for this demo. Thank you for watching.